You can use site styles to set background images, fonts, colors, and more. This is a great way to customize your template and express yourself through your site. In the Home menu, click Design, and then click Site Styles. Each template has a unique set of style options, including colors, typography, and more. These style sections will vary between templates. Click on any element on your page to view style options for that particular element. The Site Styles panel will display the style options for this element and hide all other options. Then you can click Show All to reset the site styles. Let's say I'd like to personalize the look of the template I'm using for my site. In this example, I'm using Aviator, so your options may look slightly different. To begin, I can scroll down to Typography or click on the text element I'd like to style. You can adjust font, font size, line height, and more. The available settings depend on the specific text element and template. Any style choices you make will be set throughout your site. For instance, the titles on my menu page share the same style as the titles on my About Us page. Text can also be styled per paragraph using the format bar within the text editor. Color is a great way to personalize your template. Use the color picker that opens to find the color that you want. Here, you can choose the color as well as adjust the color's shade. Alternatively, if you know the value for the color you want, you can enter the hexadecimal color code in the Value field. To adjust the color's transparency, use the opacity slider by dragging the circle below the color picker. The left side is completely transparent, while the right side is completely solid. The opacity slider is particularly useful for overlay colors, which display over images. Click anywhere outside the color window to close the color picker. When you make changes to a style element, a dot displays next to it. To undo any changes before saving, click the gray dot next to the tweak. Now I'll fine-tune the layout of my site. I can adjust the header top and bottom padding by using the slider or by entering a numerical value. I'll also change the info page layout from poster to business card. If you have knowledge of CSS, you can make additional style changes using the CSS editor. This area will allow you to add CSS to customize your site. Please keep in mind that this is an advanced section, and our support team will be limited in their ability to help you with CSS-related issues. To reset all style elements back to the template defaults, click Reset Styles to Defaults. Click Reset, then hit Save. This isn't reversible. If you reset your style elements to default, there's no way to return them back to their current settings without manually recreating them. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.